Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you are doing? It's Links 0070 to the V. Hope and trust that everybody is doing okay and that you're having a wonderful week. So Links TV always try to update you with the latest information on what is going on around the world. So much thing happened throughout the course of the week, and one of the big story is that the popular actor Bill Cosby was freed yesterday of the charges leveraged against him over 2 years ago. So he was set free yesterday and is actually home right now in the confines of his home. I'll try my very best to update you with some more information in relation to that. But that's just the latest we have to bring to you right now about that matter. So he was set free by the courts yesterday after the prosecution led evidence against him that he himself had presented to them. So he was prosecuted based on statements he gave under the impression that these statements would not be used against him. So that is basically what transpired there, leading to his conviction being overturned. So as you know, Bill Cosby was sentenced to a number of years, and he actually served 3 years out of that time that he was given. But many people are very happy about the revelation that he's actually set freed. Many people as well are actually not really liking the whole entire proceedings that he was actually set freed. So it's just like a mixed reaction of many people right now, and it's just one of those situations that was very sad to have occurred, and it's very unfortunate that such a popular individual would have gotten themselves involved in such a situation, that his entire career was actually on the line, and everything that he has worked for over the many years of his illustrious career in acting. I grew up watching Bill Cosby TV series for a number of years throughout my childhood, and I can tell you it was just an inspiration and one of those TV series that I really enjoyed watching. But as I said before, I try to update you with more information to come on this. This is Links 007 TV. Just want to wish for you a blessed and productive day as always. So have a blessed day and just take care of yourself and be good, be safe, and protect yourself in the best possible way there is. So this is where I'm gonna sign out for now. Links 007 TV as always. Much love, much respect to the viewers, the subscribers who continue to support this movement on this platform. One love.